What's good, everybody? This is Rob, back with another video. I'm here at CES in Las Vegas, and I'm here to bring you some information on this new smartphone coming out of China called the Nubia X smartphone. Now, it comes in at a $536 starting price point, and what's unique about this phone is that it has a display on the back of the phone. Now, on the front, you have a 6.2-inch 1080p front panel. The secondary screen is a 5.1 720 HD plus screen. Now, this phone does come with that Snapdragon 845 and an Adreno 630 graphics processing unit. It does have its own skin called the Nubia UI, and it comes in at 6.0.2, and it comes equipped with Android 8.1. Now, the phone does come in various storage capacities. We have a 6 GB of RAM with the 64 GB storage. We have 8 gigs of RAM at 128, 256, and 512. And this phone does have a dual SIM card. It does have 2 cameras on the back, a 16 megapixel and also a 24 megapixel. And it has a dual touch fingerprint sensor on both sides of the phone. This phone also brings back the infrared sensor, and the back of the phone screen can be used as buttons in gaming. So before you start ordering, please check out the bands out on the website to make sure it's compatible with the carrier that you use. It's important to know this information before importing this phone, because I don't know if it's going to be sold here in the States. So I'm going to leave a listing of all the bands down below. Check down to make sure your bands are included. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. Peace.